सलमान खान साहब और साजिद भाई ने डिसाइड किया कि दोनों वो एक साथ एक ही दिन पे शादी करेंगे.
He very sweetly then, greeted me on the stage. He was like, Assalamu alaikum, ye Mubarak ho and all that. I was like, Acha, this is what you guys were planning.
Who was the girl?
That he was going to get married to.
What's the latest on Sikandar Varda?
Sajid is a very good narrator. When he's narrating your story, he feels it. तो जब वो मुझे सुना रहे थे, वो खुद भी रो रहे थे, मैं भी रो रही थी, just like cake.
How do you look at this level of hunger that Salman has?
He keeps saying, अरे मैं ये जितने भी बच्चे हैं, I will make sure I'll give them run for their money. देखना grandson, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ अपने सिकंदर से, ये करेंगे, फाड़ डालेंगे and all that.
Rashmika is opposite Salman sir in Sikandar.
He's a very good-looking man and she's a very beautiful woman. Age is just a number.
People have been waiting for Kick 2 for the longest period of time.
He is writing it and it is a very beautiful script, but I think after Sikandar, hopefully that should go on floor. Hi, this is Vardhan Adyadwala and you're watching Connect Cine with Faridoon, one and only Faridoon.
वर्दा वेलकम ऑन कनेक्ट सिने. कैसी हैं आप?
Hi, I am good, rocking, and my second interview with you, Faridoon. So happy. After a long time, we are connecting. How have you been?
आई बीन एक्सीलेंट. आप कैसी हैं?
बहुत अच्छी, rocking. पूरे नूर लेके आई हो सी. Looking all
नो
good.
आपने हज आपने किया माशाल्लाह से. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. कैसा तजुर्बा रहा आपका?
Thank you so much. Hajj, I think, was a very, very beautiful experience. Was क्या मतलब अभी भी I am still hungover those days that I've just come back from. मुझे इतना डरा दिया था ना लोगों ने. They were like Hajj is very difficult and बहुत मुशक्कत होती है and परेशानी होती है. I felt nothing. I felt it went like Maska, like how Umrah was. Or maybe I was prepared because people and इतने अच्छे से इंतजाम करते, those people, they really take very good care. So I think it was beautiful experience. बहुत smoothly गया Hajj. I felt nothing. When I came back, I heard such horrid stories कि ये हो गया था, a lot of people got dehydrated and all that.
Yes.
I saw, by the grace of God, I saw nothing. I went with both my sons, Subhan and Sufyan.
No, I think congratulations to the entire family and to you as well.
Major first done.
No, absolutely. So वर्दा, मैं आपसे हमेशा जब भी आपसे बात होती है, आपके इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट होते हैं बहुत ही आई थिंक वाइविशियस होते हैं एंड एक्सट्रीमली फुल ऑफ लाइफ. मेरा पहला आपसे सवाल मेरा आपसे होगा कि साजिद भाई से जब आपकी शादी हुई तो बड़ी दिलचस्प हालात में वो शादी हुई और सलमान खान साहब और साजिद भाई ने डिसाइड किया कि दोनों वो एक साथ एक ही दिन पे शादी करेंगे एंड सलमान सर ने डिच कर दिया उनको. तो आप when was the first time that you came to know about this story?
मुझे actually it was the next day. तो I was like, I asked Sajid, I said, what were you both talking? आप लोग क्या बात कर रहे थे? एक दूसरे के कान में कुछ खुसफुसा रहे थे and then you both were laughing and then there was a long banter between them. So next day he told me, this is what it was and we were supposed to get married on the same day and पीछे he was saying, grandson पीछे गाड़ी अभी भी खड़ी है, चलो भाग जाओ. grandson भाग जाते हैं. And so, yeah, I was laughing because he very sweetly then, greeted me on the stage. He was like, Assalamu alaikum, ye Mubarak ho and all that. I was like, Acha, this is what you guys were planning, कि भाग जाओ grandson, चलो पीछे गाड़ी चालू है. So, yeah, this is what they were talking about. Next day, मुझे साजिद ने बताया. And I thought it was so fun.
Who was the girl?
That he was going to get married to?
Yeah.
I think कपिल के शो में इन लोगों ने सब बताया है. मुझे ये पता है कि मैं तो गर्ल थी साजिद नडियाडवाला के साथ. मुझे उस वक्त ये होता कि मैं तो मतलब मेरी तो शादी हो रही है. लाइक लास्ट टाइम हमने डिस्कस किया था, मैंने जो पापड़ बेले थे शादी करने के लिए, तो मुझे I was so lost. I don't know what was happening around me. I was just so excited that I was getting married. So, yeah.
Absolutely, but still, I think the way Sajid Bhai narrated the story, I think it was absolutely hilarious.
It was hilarious.
And he's a storyteller. But and knowing Salman sir, I think he would have definitely told him कि that grandson पीछे गाड़ी खड़ी हुई है, भाग चलते.
Yeah, चलो grandson भाग चलते, अभी भी मौका है. So yeah, so even when I made one video for Sajid. I made a Destiny's Child video for him where I took all his friends interviews and all that. तो सर ग्रैंडसन ने उस दिन भी मेरी बात नहीं सुने. मैंने बोला था भाग चलते हैं ग्रैंडसन, और जब से शादी हो गई है तो आप तो आते नहीं हो ग्रैंडसन. उस दिन अगर मेरा ऑफर ले लिए होते, काश मैंने कुछ किया होता. Imagine he was saying this in front of me. So yeah, and initially Salman was like, like how T2K wedding थी. So he used to always see me मेरा दोस्त
Right.
चुरा लिया types. Yeah, it was exactly like that. I used to get those looks. You stole my friend types. So it
Right.
took a long time for me to crack into the friendship zone with him. कि नहीं भैया मैंने आपके दोस्त को नहीं चुराया. He's very much there. You know how it happens between best friends. जब कोई लड़की आ जाती है तो how they get very this thing. So yeah, that did happen with me also. I had to make him feel नहीं नहीं दोस्त को कहीं नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ. He's there.
No, no, absolutely. Okay, and so and you guys have started Sikandar.
Yes.
I think it's a very ambitious project. I think for everyone. I think and the industry badly needs like a big bonanza film, and hopefully that should be happening with Sikandar as well. Murugadoss, I think a fantastic director.
Oh, he's fine.
Yeah, in fact, Amir said about Murugadoss that he looks like maybe slightly, if you look at the height wise, and he looks very simple like a boy,
Yeah.
but he precisely knows what he wants, and he can be a taskmaster till the time he actually gets it. And he's had some really big successful films. So,
Yes.
I believe Sikandar has started. What's the latest on Sikandar, Varda?
Yes, it started. And they have this long sked now, then a little break, and then again they'll get into there'll be breaks, but yeah, now it's a long stretch that they're starting, and it's going to be a beautiful film. मतलब जब साजिद मुझे ये स्टोरी सुना रहे थे तो he took long pauses. He was crying. तो साजिद इज अ वेरी गुड नरेटर. व्हेन ही इज नरेटिंग योर स्टोरी ही फील्स इट. तो जब वो मुझे सुना रहे थे वो खुद भी रो रहे थे, मैं भी रो रही थी. जस्ट लाइक किक, like kick, if you hear certain portions, it just leaves you in tears कि अरे ये इतना जज्बाती होके कोई किसी के लिए कुछ करना, एंड अपनी जान को दाव पे लगाना एंड ऑल दैट. So even with this film, when he was narrating me, he was crying, then he was taking long pauses, breathing, and then starting, and then he's like, then Sikandar and this that. So I'll give away a lot of story if I say much, but so yeah, Murugadoss, I met him a couple of times. So I've just observing these people talk. तो वैसे तो he's very smiling and अच्छे से होती है, but when he starts talking about his movie and all that, तो वो एकदम एक अलग इंसान दिख रहे थे मुझे, just like how Sajid is. तो I'm sure मजा आएगी उनको सेट्स पे देखने when he'll be directing Salman, and he apparently क्या बोलते हैं, is he gets what he wants, and he tries to get whatever he wants from the actor, and so I'm sure he's going to do a brilliant job.
Right, and I was just thinking a few, like yesterday maybe, that Salman Khan has achieved so much in his life, in his career, but the level of ambition that he still has, the way he
Yeah.
approaches all his projects, it's absolutely surreal and brilliant. How do you look at this level of hunger that Salman has?
I think it is. I think he's always been like that. Now I think with all of them. Now look at Shah Rukh also. Jawan. He's given some amazing movies. Akshay. So these guys, I think, gone are the days like Rajnikant sir also, Thalaivar. Just look at his enthusiasm for life, yeah. Like the other day when I met him, he's so charged. ये करते हैं, साजिद वो करते हैं, ऐसे करना चाहिए. He's got so many plans. And when he talks about movies, तो उनकी आंखें हो जाती है. Even Salman, like, he's also a go-getter. He's very excited about life. He's excited about everything in his life. I think he's so passionate about his work. वो रात के दिन के किसी भी वक्त उन लोग जब बात करते हैं, when I see Sajid and Salman, his light, उनकी आंखें चमक जाती है. एंड अभी भी आई थिंक ही कीप्स saying, अरे मैं ये जितने भी बच्चे हैं, आई विल मेक श्योर आई गिव देम रन फॉर देयर मनी, देखना ग्रैंडसन मैं भी आ रहा हूँ अभी सिकंदर से, ये करेंगे, पहाड़ डालेंगे एंड ऑल दैट. सो इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग एंड इट्स वेरी, मुझे तो बहुत मजा आती है टू व्हेनेवर आई सी दीज गाइस टॉक के. इट्स द सेम आई थिंक, मुझे पता नहीं स्टार्टिंग में क्या था, बट यही होगा जब से मेरी शादी हुई है. आई हैव सीन द सेम. जो मुझसे शादी करोगी इससे मैंने एक्साइटमेंट देखा है कि ग्रैंडसन फाड़ देंगे, पिक्चर तो ऐसी बनाएंगे, ग्रैंडसन ये करता हूँ वो करता हूँ, आप बताओ. किक, जस्ट सी व्हाट दे डिडंट किक टुगेदर, साजिद एंड सलमान. So, I mean, I think Sajid की as a debutant 200 double century हुई थी, and I think it was Salman's also ना first 200 के, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah, I don't know what. I think they are all very passionate about their work, which is why they've survived for so long ना Faridun.
And people have been waiting for Kick 2 for the longest period of time.
Oh God, tell me about it. ट्विटर पे तो मेरे इतने पीछे पड़ते हैं ना उन लोग को लगता है जैसे कि मैं ही दुश्मन हूँ. आई एम ओनली नॉट स्टार्टिंग इट, बट बिकॉज द प्रेशर ये होता है कि बिकॉज नॉट दैट साजिद डजंट वांट टू मेक केक, ही इज गॉट इट इन हिज हेड एंड ऑलमोस्ट क्रैक भी हो गई थी केक. But then again, Sajid feels like, नहीं मुझे और करना है ना. It's because of the fans. I think they put so much pressure on him. अब उनको लगता है कि मुझे बहुत जबरदस्त और इससे बड़ी करनी है, तो इससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी उससे बड़ी के चक्कर में वो ही नहीं रहा है. आई थिंक फैंस शुड टेक इट स्लाइटली इजी एंड से कि जस्ट ब्रिंग केक, वी विल लाइक इट, जस्ट ब्रिंग देवीलाल. बट आई थिंक या बट ही इज राइटिंग इट एंड इट इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्क्रिप्ट. बट लेट्स, आई थिंक आफ्टर सिकंदर होपफुली दैट शुड गो ऑन फ्लो.
नहीं, बट आई थिंक साजिद भाई इज़ लाइक अ, जैसे आप परफेक्शनिस्ट भी कह सकते हैं और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन भी कह सकते हैं. like he thinks a lot. He's like he really maybe overthinks, and maybe I think शायद वो जो expectations है फिल्म से, sequel से, maybe that is something that is quite a lot actually.
Really, वो हर फिल्म को लेके ऐसी होते हैं फरीदून. इफ यू सी मोस्ट ऑफ हिज फिल्म्स रिसेंटली आल्सो, ही मतलब टेक्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम. वो स्क्रिप्ट को 1000 बार पढ़ेंगे, एंड इफ लाइक 10th 11th time भी if the script is exciting him, that's when he says let's go ahead and do this. So
Great.
that's what.
Okay, Rashmika is opposite Salman sir in Sikandar. So अभी online जैसे मैंने post किया तो people they come up with, and I feel that maybe I think it is done to this entire thing. Age difference क्या है, ये है वो है. And so in fact I made a video as well that it is how they are looking on screen. It's a make believe. अगर वो शादीशुदा अगर हैं तो वो एक्चुअल रियल लाइफ में तो शादीशुदा नहीं है. So why is it that you have this notion of the age factor? As long as they are looking convincing. अगर convincing नहीं है तो problem है.
Absolutely.
देवानंद साहब और जीनत अमान जी हीरा पन्ना में what they have done, the fact is they look really good together.
Absolutely.
So आप कैसे देखते हो इस ये जब arguments जब आप देखते हैं सब when you look at it, how do you respond to it?
I feel people, they have the right to say what they want to, but hopefully, God willing, when they'll see their pair on screen, they'll be like, "अरे यार, हमने क्या सोचा था, and why did we say whatever we said?" Because they look fantastic. If you've seen the previous videos of Salman and Rashmika together, वो small tidbits जो बीच में आ रहा था when Rashmika was signed, I think they looked so beautiful together.
Yeah.
And he's a very good-looking man, and she's a very beautiful woman. I think together, वो age factor. I don't know in today's age and time how people could really talk about age. Age is just a number. The girl could be 10, 15 years younger than the boy. Nowadays, the boys are like 10, 15 years younger than the girls. How does it matter as long as they're looking compatible and good together? And
Absolutely.
I'm sure Rashmika fits this character to T. When they'll see her on screen and when they'll see their chemistry together, I'm sure we're going to get a lot of applause that what a pairing. बहुत अच्छी pairing आप लोगों ने लाई हमारे लिए.